Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you would be able to open up your trunk manually, because this is an electronic actuator in here, and so maybe if you hit this button and you don't hear that noise, and so that means it didn't open. So if you didn't hear that open, you hit the button, and even the button on the key fob, maybe to open up your hatch. There is a manual way to open it, but you'll need to crawl in through the back of the vehicle, or through the back seat, fold that down, and be able to crawl in there and be able to manually open it. So we've come into the trunk here, and we can see this little rubber grommet here. We're going to pop that off. And then we have access to there's a little square mechanism in there. I've got just a good wide screwdriver to be able to get in there kind of on the side of it. Or not the side of it, but inside. And then you'll just insert that in there, turn to the quarter, turn to the left. So using that, turning it a quarter, turn to the left, and then just being able to push up on it. Or if you had a helper out here, you're able to manually open this and open up your hatch. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.